Hey everyone, Magpie back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at colour changing Sheriff. Now, quick little background history information on the colour changes and me. If you saw the review of the Kings, you'll know that when they announced a cruising Lightning McQueen and Fillmore colour change, I was like, okay, they actually look pretty epic. I want to give this a go. So I got the Kings as a little tester, had a little play around and saw what the colour changes were like. Realised how absolutely brilliant they were, and I was like, yeah, I need to invest in these. So today I was out in Smith's and we saw Sheriff. Now Sheriff is a really nice one. I love the way that he goes from red to black. It just looks really nice. Kind of like a vibrant red as well. And also we can see he is a little bit red here already, and that is just because of the heat today. It has been quite warm. He was in a hot car, and he kind of got a little bit of red in him already, which is, it's cool to know that these can work with like aircon and radiator systems, which is nice. So yeah, I saw him, I was like, I haven't seen this guy before. He looks awesome. He's a classic Radiator Springs character, you know how I feel about them. So I thought, let's do it. So yeah, I'm going to have a look at starting at the front of the packaging here. The colour changes card art it's awesome. I'm a huge fan of it. I love this, I actually didn't point this out with the Kings, but I love this kind of Carburetor County, Radiator Springs desert background here. It looks really nice. It's kind of similar to Blue Desert, but obviously not blue. It looks really nice. Colour changes logo there, and the Cars logo, obviously, because he is from Cars. And I love these card arts, how they've kind of got the splash going on to make them like a half and half colour. And there he is, Sheriff. 2-in-1 colour changer. So we're going to the back here. You can see that in the heat he goes into a red, and in the cold he goes back to black. And I think that looks really nice. The red actually looks quite awesome on there. Look at the base, the base. You can see he was made in Vietnam, as all the colour changes are. So there's the packaging. So we're going to have a dive into this and have a look at Sheriff. And we have got the cups, the Cars cups of water here. We did get the Lightning McQueen one out. I did mention this in the Kings, if you saw it, that I had the King cup and the Mater cup, and I mentioned there was a blue Lightning McQueen cup. Well, there it is. I'll show you guys that as well in a bit, because why not? Let's pop his little card art over there and get him out. He's stuck, there we go. Just shove that over there for now. I can't get him out. He's literally stuck. There we go. We got him. Here he is. Similar to the King, he has that kind of like non-metallic. I don't know. These are actually gotta be plastic. These. And as you can already see, just by holding them in my hand, he has started to go a little bit red already, which is nice and interesting. So we have got this original Sheriff. This is a China Sheriff from way back in the day. Also, they have got a slightly different, well, the eyes are definitely different. The Vietnam one looks a lot more stern compared to the Chinese one, which is interesting. Yeah, these are definitely plastic. These colour changes feel like. We have a little zoom in here. The Radiator Springs logo probably more clear on the original one, but we've seen that in the past that these colour changes do have slightly blurred decals. We've seen that from the Kings. He doesn't have Sheriff on the back of him there, which is quite weird. I don't know why. Really. And yeah, he's already starting to go red just by being in me hands in me hot bedroom. So it's quite interesting to know that if, like, this is actually crazy, the fact that he's already starting to turn red just from the environment. So you may not need the water if you're going to do colour changes, but we are. So he starts off as black. So we've got the warm water here in Mater's cup. So we'll dip him in and see how it goes. Yep, he's gone pure red straight away. There he is. That actually looks kind of cool. It's kind of weird seeing Sheriff red, because he looks more like a fire engine kind of thing with the red, but I do like that. It's a nice vibrant red there. Let's try my hand so I can zoom in a little bit. Yep, nice vibrant red, and under the light as well, it looks very nice. Very, very nice. It looks weird, honestly. It looks slightly weird being red, but I kind of like it. It's a nice kind of weird, if you know what I mean. And then if we get the cold water, so this is the Lightning McQueen cup. Disney Shop exclusive. It's blue, it's got lightning on it. On the back it says Lightning McQueen there. And there is ice in it. So hopefully this will work and get him back to black. Yep, it's working already. Straight away I can see it's working. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Let's get the rest of him in. That water's freezing. I just dropped them in the cup for a little bit. And there we go. Back to the original black Sheriff. Just like the normal Sheriff here. That's kind of interesting though. I don't really know if you can see on the light in there, but underneath of him is actually red. Which is quite interesting. We have this little bit here under. I like that. It's cool. Let's do a little half and half action going on here. So we'll dip the front half in the warm water. If it's going to work. There we go. Now he's half and half. But the red Sheriff almost reminds us as if it was like a short. Having like a kind of red Sheriff to him. But I'm not going to complain. I like it. I really like it. Let's make him all red. Fully red Sheriff. Nice. It looks really nice, honestly. I really like that. Got a little bit on the roof still. The reds really like stand out. It's quite vibrant colour. You going to get in? There we go. Nice standout vibrant colour red. And just because we're here, I may as well do the king. So the king in the warm water goes back to being blue. Just because I love doing this so much. You're going to just sink in there a little bit. But yeah. So now if we get the... I'm looking red Sheriff versus black Sheriff. So obviously black Sheriff is his die cast. Yeah, I like him. I think I'll take a little bit again used to having like the red Sheriff. But I kind of like it. The red's a nice colour. Like a really nice colour. I like it. I do like it. You know, you see like the black Sheriff for years and then get like a nice little red colour changer. It's nice. Let's just see how the king's doing. There we go. King's black back to blue. So yeah, may as well just get him in the water too. And get him soaking up a little bit more red. Because why not, you know. When I get these back to the colour changes colours because they look amazing. And like I say, you can understand why these colour changes are so like popular. Especially with like younger kids. Because of how basically awesome they are. And how cool the colours change. How quick the colours change. And how awesome you can pretty much have a new character. Or a new version of a character. Like Red Sheriff. I'm happy. I like it. Like I say, it'll take quite a little bit of getting used to having a red Sheriff. But I approve of him. He looks nice. Really, really nice. Cool. So that's the end of the video. This is Colour Changes Sheriff. The first one that I've ever seen. And the first one which I can honestly say for a Radio Springs character, it looks good. Yeah, I can see on the base there, made in Vietnam. It looks awesome. I like him. I like a nice red. It's honestly it's really nice. Like the camera and especially the lighting. Because I know the lighting's a bit dodgy in this video. It doesn't do it justice to how nice it actually is. I really, really like it. So yeah, good job Mattel with your colour changing Sheriff. I don't have anything else to say to him. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.